Fortis in fide et opere, the school motto of Campion College. Translation, steadfast in faith and work, but also steadfast in fostering regional integration. A group of 22 students from the institution spent a week on Bajan soil last month as part of the Harrison College and Campion College student exchange program, which began in 2022. Harrison College is a secondary school in Barbados. Students packed with dreams, ready to trod somewhat unfamiliar territories.
I went into the entire exchange program not sure what to expect. I'd been to Barbados before on a summer program, but in this context, this was being immersed in a school culture as opposed to just in the country. But looking back, it was an experience of a lifetime.
An experience now etched in their hearts. For them, the world feels smaller when both cultures meet.
It was so amazing. I can't even fully describe it in words. The people, the island itself, the accent, I can't not forget the accent.
At the end of the day, we're the same people. We just landed on different islands. So a lot of the superficial stuff, like the music and the food, those were different. But the people, I could relate to them. I could talk to them, and it really felt home, despite the accent and all that.
The aim of the program is, among other things, to exchange different teaching methodologies and to improve student achievement levels. And that it did.
I think it's very helpful because it definitely broadened my perspectives. And I think that just seeing how they do it differently over here versus how we do it here, even if we're not going to change what we do here, I just think it's interesting to see how other people do things, and that can kind of make you reflect on how you do things and if you want to change anything. So I think it was definitely very helpful, and I definitely think that it's impacted how I even think in class.
Their hearts now connected by this shared light. It's why Campion wants more Jamaican schools to engage in similar initiatives.
If I could put every single high school in Jamaica on an exchange program like this, I would, just because of the experience that individuals get from it, but not only individuals, like stimulating your personal growth, engaging with other persons. But I think that as Caribbean people, we need to be more united on the issues that are being threatened to us. So whether we're talking about economic development, climate change, developing more sustainable economies and industries, we need to be able to collaborate with our partners across the Caribbean so that we're one united front against these issues.
Programs like those are, I think, what can bring the world together.
And I think it would be good if we could get partnership with maybe private sector or with the government support to help more schools and a wider socioeconomic background of children to go. Because it is expensive to travel within the Caribbean. Unfortunately, we're so close, but yet it's so expensive to go to another Caribbean island.
A group of students from Harrison College will be coming to Campion in October this year.
The favorite thing I'm thinking of right now is the food we're going to give them. Not to say anything about Barbados, but Jamaican food is unbeatable. I love you guys, but our food is the best.
Big up a school like Harrison College, HC, cheese on bread!
With a ray of hope, I'm Amoy Harriet.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by